What's poppin', all this your boy Reggie Beatz. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to set up your WordPress hosting and domain. Let's get it. So the hosting service that you're gonna use is called Hostinger. The link is in the description below. Just click on it and you should get to this page. So when you get to this page, first thing first that you're going to look for is the domain, because we want to find a domain first. So let's go to domain, click on domain, select domain checker. So here I'm gonna type reggiebeatsmusic.com, and you can type any domain name you want just to check if it's available. Then click on search. Great, the domain is available, and the domain costs $10 a year. It's not bad at all. And if I want cheaper options, there's reggiebeats.online for $1 a year. So it's just all about which one I can afford, but the .com is more professional. I'm gonna click on .com. Click on add to cart. Okay, great. Now we have this window here, and it's for the web hosting, because now we have the domain with the price of the domain. Now it's time for us to get the hosting, because they go together. So select hosting plan. You're gonna get these three options here. So you can either take this option for $2 or $3 or $5, but the one that I feel like will be good enough for Beatz is this premium shared hosting one. So I will select this second one. Okay, great. Now we are on the cart, and if you can see the total here, it's 143. It's because you've selected hosting for 48 months. But if you select hosting for 48 months, you get the domain name for free as well. As you can see, the domain name reggiebeatsmusic.com is now 0. But then if I select a monthly payment like this one, you will see now I will be paying for my domain name as well. Now the domain name is $10, but the total is $27. So it's just up to you which one you are comfortable with. So once you're done selecting, just click on checkout now and complete your purchase. From there you'll be able to log into your hosting account. I already have mine, so I'll just log into mine. Okay, now it's time to install WordPress, because now we have our hosting and our domain. So just login into Hostinger. And once you log in on the dashboard, you're gonna see this hosting here. Click on manage, and once you click on manage, you will scroll down and look for auto installer, because you want to install something, which is what WordPress. Click on auto installer, and just make sure that on the side you are installing on the correct website. So here's just the list of all the WordPress websites that I already have. So you might just come and select WordPress here, because you want to install WordPress. Select WordPress. Then give the website a name. I'll call it Roger Beatz, and go to advanced just to make sure that you've selected the right domain. So I will select a subdomain. So it's a subdomain is just another domain within my domain. So I'll just maybe use this test one, and I'm gonna click next, and we're gonna click install. And then it says you want to override some stuff on this. Yeah, I'll just overwrite it for now so I can be able to show you guys. Okay, great. Now it's done installing, and it's gonna redirect me to this page where I can see this button where it says edit website, and I can see it's the one that's selected because I have multiple, as I said. So I'm gonna click edit website. Okay, just click on back to dashboard if you see this page. Alright, great. Here's our website now. It's installed. Don't worry about these plugins. They just come with WordPress. When you install it through Hostinger, we are able to deactivate them. So yeah, that's how you set up your domain, hosting, and WordPress. So just stay in tune for the next videos, and if you want to know how to continue from here, there's links in the description below on how to make a best-selling website. Please click on the sub button and like the video if you've learned something from this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm out. Peace.